In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then first off you need to open up someone's profile by hitting at their profile picture, and then just hit at these three dots and select send message. Now it says that only friends can send messages to each other. So first we have to send a friend request to this person, and this person has to accept it to be able to get a communication with each other. So I'm just gonna hit add follow. You can communicate with your friends just by getting into inbox, and then you can hit at this paper airplane icon to open up your direct messages. Then you can get into some existing conversations and then just to chat with that user, or you can hit at that plus sign and select any user which is already following you and you following them back, and then just hit at their username, and then you can start messaging with this user right from here. I'm just gonna send hi. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.